So let's get into a little bit of the specifications and what these Ultravision lights are all about. Now, they're called the Nitro Maxx 180's, and they are their newest lights. They are really running some pretty cool tech. They've got that high-low feature I mentioned earlier, which takes a little bit to get used to, but it is a really genuine feature. The only thing I'd like is, or I'd say to you when you install them, maybe I made the mistake when I installed them in this vehicle, is make sure you put the switch, the high-low buttons, they're tiny little buttons, put them, two things, put them where you can easily access them near your high beam stalk, because that's naturally where you go for your high-low controls. The next thing is they have quite bright LEDs. Now, bright in the sense of when you're driving at night. You want those two LEDs, you don't want them staring at you while you're driving at night, because that can be quite distracting. So put that controller behind the spoke of a steering wheel or something like that, but still in that position where you can get to it quickly. Obviously, it's going to depend on where you put them in your vehicle. So I love that high-low feature. I'm getting used to it and I'm appreciating it. Some of the other features, these lights come with an excellent 5-year warranty. They come with their mounting brackets here are 4mm stainless steel, TIG welded. They come with a lifetime warranty. They are not going to break unless you have an accident or something, I think. I've got some of these Ultravision lights that have been on vehicles for 10 years and they are still working as good and look as good as the day we put them on the vehicle. So they're an excellent quality light in that sense. They don't shake on your vehicle. Now, on the Land Cruiser, we do get a little bit of shake on rough roads, but that's not coming from the lights, it's coming from the bull bar in actual fact. So sometimes you'll see them shaking a little bit. All the lights will come with anti-theft nuts, which is a great feature. Considering you're running a genuinely valuable product on the front of your vehicle, they do have an anti-theft nut, which is excellent. The next thing is these lights all come with an high quality wiring harness and the relay and all the equipment you need to get them installed in your vehicle. They all use Deutsch plugs, which are waterproof plugs. It's just quality gear, and obviously you're going to pay for the quality, but here's what I'd say: you buy a set of these lights, you're not going to be selling them with your vehicle. You're going to take them off and you're going to put them on your next vehicle, and you're going to keep on doing that because they're that good. So they're kind of like a one-time purchase, which I really do like.